There once was a boy who grew bored while watching over the village sheep. He wanted to make things more exciting. So, he yelled out that he saw a wolf chasing the sheep. All the villagers came running to drive the wolf away. However, they saw no wolf. The boy was amused, but the villagers were not. They told him not to do it again. Shortly after, he repeated this antic. The villagers came running again, only to find that he was lying.
To create this project, we'll need a captivating story, images for each scene, and a touch of creative editing. Here's how we can do it. First, we'll need a narrative that will serve as the backbone of our video. To craft this story, we'll use ChatGPT. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate a narration that's broken down into short scenes, each lasting about 5 seconds. It will also provide detailed prompts for each scene, which will help guide the video creation process. However, since this story is generated by AI and we want a more human touch, we'll turn to a tried-and-true method, Google. Search for short kid stories in English and browse through the results. Once you find a story that resonates, copy it. Next, go back to ChatGPT and paste the story you found. Prompt ChatGPT to break down the story into individual scenes, even the smallest moments. After the scenes are separated, ask ChatGPT to provide detailed prompts for each scene, specifically for video generation. With the prompts ready, it's time to create the visuals. We'll use Microsoft Designer for this. Open Designer, click on Create, and choose Image. Set the size to wide, and in the description, paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Click Generate, and Designer will create 4 images in different styles. If the styles aren't consistent, tweak the prompt by mentioning 3D animation or Disney Pixar to achieve a cohesive look. Download the best image for each scene, and repeat the process until all images are ready. Now that we have our images, it's time to bring them to life using Kling AI. Search for Kling AI and open their website. The interface is user-friendly. Click on AI videos, then image to video, and upload your images. In the prompt section, you can either add the narrator's line or leave it blank and hit generate. Keep in mind that generating the video might take a while, and Kling AI allows up to 6 video generations per day. Follow this process to create videos for all your scenes. For the voiceover, we'll use Clipchamp, a versatile video editor. Start by creating a new project, then click on Record and Create and choose Text-to-Speech. On the right-hand side, paste the story, choose your preferred language, and select a voice. Clipchamp offers a variety of voices, and you can even adjust the emotion or pitch under advanced settings. Once you're happy with the voiceover, click Save, and it will be added to your timeline. Export the video, and your voiceover is ready. Now, it's time to bring everything together. I recommend using CapCut, but any video editor will work. Import all the video clips and the voiceover file to the timeline. Arrange the clips to match the voiceover, adjusting the timing as needed. If you have a basic understanding of video editing, this will be straightforward. For background music, let's go for copyright-free options. Open YouTube Studio and head to the audio library. Download music that complements your video. Add the music to your timeline, lowering the volume to around -20 dB so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. To polish things off, add some transitions between scenes. You can also include captions by clicking the caption button in CapCut, selecting a template, and adjusting the size and position so it doesn't obstruct the visuals. And there you have it. Your video is ready to shine.
There once was a boy who grew bored while watching over the village sheep. He wanted to make things more exciting. So, he yelled out that he saw a wolf chasing the sheep. All the villagers came running to drive the wolf away. However, they saw no wolf. The boy was amused, but the villagers were not. They told him not to do it again. Shortly after, he repeated this antic. The villagers came running again, only to find that he was lying.